Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use for loops in Unity to repeat code efficiently. Let us get started. What is a for loop? For loop is a control structure used to execute a block of code multiple times. It is commonly used when you know exactly how many times you want to repeat an action. Where and why to use it? For loop is one of the most important structures in Unity game development because it allows repetitive tasks to be handled efficiently. In Unity, it is used in various scenarios like spawning objects, updating UI, managing game logic, and iterating over arrays or lists. Why is a for loop important in Unity? Saves time. Instead of writing repetitive code, you can handle multiple objects efficiently. Improves performance, reduces unnecessary operations, and makes code cleaner. Essential for game logic, used for spawning, animations, UI updates, and timers. Works with coroutines, helps create smooth animations and timed effects. A for loop is used when we need to repeat a block of code multiple times. It is commonly used to iterate through arrays, spawn objects, or handle repetitive tasks efficiently. I will explain how to use a for loop in Unity to iterate through an array and display its elements in the console. We created an array called fruits that contains 5 different fruit names. We used a for loop to go through each element in the array. Debug.log fruits I print each fruit name to the console. That's all for today's lesson. Now you know how to use a for loop in Unity with an array. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tutorials. See you next.